Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Township Mod menu for free on both iOS and Android. This method is 100% working right now, and it unlocks unlimited cash, coins, and powerful hacks inside Township. As you can see on the screen, the Township mod menu gives you access to incredible features like unlimited cash and coins, free shopping, auto farming, and many more exclusive mod APK and hacks for iOS and Android players. Before you start, make sure your Township app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Head down to the pinned comment below. I've included the exact link and instructions there so you can safely download Township++. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu running in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.